Getting errors while buying Robux or some features not showing up in your Roblox account? It might be because of your region settings. In this video, I'll show you how to change your region or account location on Roblox. First, log into your Roblox account through your browser. Click on the settings icon at the top. From the drop-down, select Help and Safety. Now you'll be redirected to a new page. Here, click on Help Center to open Roblox official support site. This is where we'll find the option to request a region change. Once you're in the Help Center, go to the search bar and type account location. Press Enter. Now click on account location. In that article, scroll down to the bottom and click on the support form link. On the support form page, you'll first need to provide your contact information. Enter your Roblox username, add your email address, make sure it's the one linked to your Roblox account. Confirm your email. Now comes the important part, issue details. Choose the device you are using, PC, Mac, iOS, Android, etc. In Help category, select How to. In subcategory, choose Change My Location. In the description box, explain your request clearly. You can use a message like this. Once everything is done, double check your details, then click on Continue to submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email within a few days. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.